Determine whether you have a wide or narrow push-button wiper arm by measuring it with a penny. A penny will fit snugly into the end of the wide 22mm wiper arm. It will not fit into the end of the narrow 19mm arm. Before installation, remove the plastic protector from the blade rubber. With this arm type, it is necessary to remove the pre-attached adapter on the wiper blade and replace it as follows with adapter BC. Identify the release tabs on the pre-attached adapter. Using your index fingernails, pull both release tabs towards you. The pre-attached adapter will tilt towards you and disengage from the blade. Discard it. Locate adapter BC and position it so that the release tabs face up. Tilt adapter BC back into the cavity in the blade until it clicks in place. Both release tabs must lock onto the blade before proceeding to the next step. Press the tab on the front of adapter B. Lift shim C off of adapter B and discard it. While keeping the adapter parallel to the arm, hold your thumb on the front of the adapter and pull the blade into the underside of the arm. The button on the top of the adapter must lock into the hole in the top of the arm. Before use, make sure the wiper blade and adapter are locked onto the wiper arm.